My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware called ZeNyA. This is the ransomware that is able to essentially damage the files that people store on their hard drives, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. So before the ransomware attack, of course, there are no troubles opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, because of certain existing leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ZeNyA ransomware may be easily injected into the device. And then pretty soon, people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. The data gets all damaged and encrypted by this ZeNyA ransomware. Pretty soon people see the consequences of the ransomware attack. And so these are the consequences of the ransomware attack. The ransomware drops several ransomware nodes on the computer screen. It also gives some other message mentioning that the files have been encrypted and that people need to pay the ransom to get the files recovered. But paying the ransom, of course, does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may simply waste your money without getting the data restored. Speaking about the files, they all get damaged and encrypted, and this special CRYPTED extension is added to the files. We recommend you to immediately remove this particular ransomware with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official website combocleaner.com. You might need to use Internet Explorer browser because other browsers may also be encrypted. So through Internet Explorer, go to the page combocleaner.com, download Combo Cleaner, install the program, and then after you successfully install the application, start scanning your system with its help. Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively remove this ZeNyA ransomware from your Windows computer. It will help you not only to remove this ransomware but also to protect your files from being damaged in the future. This is the way Combo Cleaner antivirus looks like. It is initially in the trial mode, so the trial mode only gives the quick scan option. You need to click on Start Scan button, and then the scanning will begin. But first of all, the program might update its anti-malware database for proper detection and removal of any malware. Because of the ransomware attack on my files and on the system in general, the computer is functioning in a very slow manner. So in my second part of the video, I'll explain to you how to use Combo Cleaner to remove ransomware and other threats and to protect your data from further ransomware attacks. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.